This is their first solid food. They've been going for a few minutes, and they're deciding it's more fun to crawl through it than to just stand around and eat out the outside. But they seem to all be ready. Are you all done, Faith? Here, Fiona.
This is going in a circle.
I guess this is a good advertisement for From Puppy Chow. They're almost finished.